How to apply the law of rhythm to your life through meditation. Every moment in life has its rhythm. The sunrise and sunset, the beating of our hearts, the changing of the seasons. All of these remind us that everything in the universe operates within a pattern of flow. This flow is governed by the ancient and universal law of rhythm. This law can be the key to creating balance and harmony in our lives. However, finding this balance can often be challenging amidst the chaotic pace of modern life. This is where meditation comes in. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools for understanding and applying the law of rhythm to your life. In this video, we will explore step by step how to integrate the law of rhythm into your life through meditation. Everything you need to feel more balanced, peaceful, and empowered is here. Take a deep breath and let's begin. What is the law of rhythm? The law of rhythm is one of the fundamental principles of the universe. Everything has a rise and fall, a forward movement and a backward return. A beginning inevitably leads to an end, and this cycle repeats endlessly. You can observe this everywhere in nature. The tides, the phases of the moon, the cycle of day and night. But this law doesn't just govern the external world. It also applies to our inner world. Our emotions, thoughts, and energy are all subject to these cycles. Understanding the law of rhythm doesn't mean we can control these cycles. However, it is possible to adapt to them and use them to our advantage. This is where meditation becomes invaluable. The law of rhythm also requires patience and awareness. Instead of resisting life's ups and downs, we can see them as opportunities for growth. A moment of crisis can lead to a greater sense of peace, while a moment of joy can deepen your sense of connection. Embracing this cycle allows us to live a richer and more meaningful life. The power of meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and discovering your inner rhythm. In today's world, our minds are often stuck in the past or consumed with worries about the future. This disrupts our inner rhythm and leaves us feeling unbalanced. Meditation brings our attention to the present moment, helping us restore this disrupted rhythm. The connection between meditation and the law of rhythm lies in its essence. During meditation, your breathing, heartbeat, and energy flow naturally fall into a rhythm. This rhythm aligns with the universal rhythm, bringing you back into balance. Additionally, meditation helps you manage the pace and chaos of daily life more effectively. With regular meditation practice, you will deeply feel the changes it brings to your mind and body. Like a river, your energy flows more freely, and your thoughts become clearer. Applying the law of rhythm through meditation. 1. Create the right environment. Creating a conducive environment for meditation is the first step to integrating the law of rhythm into your life. Choose a quiet space free from distractions. Adding soft music or nature sounds can relax your mind and prepare you for meditation. The energy of your meditation space is also important. Light a candle, keep a crystal nearby, or use a fragrance you enjoy. These small details can make your meditation experience more meaningful. 2. Discover the rhythm of your breath. In meditation, breath is one of the most fundamental focal points. Deep, slow, and steady breathing helps you find your inner rhythm. Spend a few minutes focusing solely on your breath. Count to 4 as you inhale. Hold your breath for 4 counts, and exhale for 4 counts. This simple technique calms your mind and helps you align with your body's natural rhythm. Over time, you'll notice how your breath connects to other rhythms in your life. For example, as your breath steadies, your heartbeat slows down and becomes more harmonious. 3. Embrace your emotional cycles. The law of rhythm also encompasses our emotional ups and downs. Joy, sadness, anger, peace. All emotions are part of a cycle. During meditation, practice observing these emotions without judgment. Allow them to come and go. This is a powerful step toward emotional balance. When you recognize that emotions are temporary, their impact on you diminishes. Meditation strengthens this awareness. For instance, instead of fighting your anger, understanding that it's part of a natural cycle helps it dissipate on its own. 4. Align with nature's rhythm. Connecting with nature during meditation can help you understand the law of rhythm more deeply. Meditate outdoors or lean against a tree to ground your energy. Nature is one of the purest ways to connect to the universal rhythm. While meditating in nature, focus on the sounds around you, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, the gentle breeze. These sounds are part of the universal rhythm and can help you align with it. 5. Establish a rhythmic routine. Turn your meditation practice into a regular rhythm. For example, start your day with meditation every morning, or take a few minutes to meditate before bed each night. Regular practice strengthens your inner rhythm and allows the law of rhythm to work more effectively in your life. Tying your meditation to a specific time makes it a natural part of your rhythm. Additionally, dedicating this time solely to yourself makes these moments even more valuable. 6. Use visualization techniques. During meditation, you can visualize the law of rhythm in action. For instance, imagine a wave rising and falling. Think of this wave as representing your energy, thoughts, or emotions. With each rise, feel yourself gaining strength, and with each fall, feel cleansed and lighter. Focusing on the rhythm of waves is a great way to ease mental and emotional tension. Over time, you can apply these visualization techniques to different areas of your life. The long-term benefits of meditation. When meditation and the law of rhythm come together, they create noticeable changes in your life. More balance, you'll experience greater emotional, mental, and physical equilibrium. Reduced stress. Finding your inner rhythm helps alleviate stress and promotes a calmer life. Increased energy. Meditation regulates your energy levels and makes you more productive. Enhanced awareness. You'll start observing yourself and your surroundings with a deeper understanding. Improved patience. Embracing life's cycles fosters patience and empathy. Final thoughts. The law of rhythm is a gift from the universe. Living in harmony with it can create miracles in your life. Meditation is an excellent tool for achieving this harmony. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to meditation, you can find your inner rhythm and bring it into your life. Remember, everything has a rhythm, and this rhythm can guide you toward a peaceful, balanced, and joyful life. Take a moment for yourself, breathe deeply, and embark on this journey. By aligning with the universal rhythm, you'll discover your own strength. And remember, this journey will not only bring you peace, but will also reveal the beauty of life's cycles.